at Century Village, where soft winds blow. A luncheon spread for hearts so true. Volunteers gathered, a humble crew. They came from near, they came from far. Under the roof, no matter who they are. The officers installed with a steady hand, building the ties and make us stand. Oh, raise a glass to the work they do, the hearts that give the tried and true. No spotlight shines, but their spirits glow at the luncheon for our kin in Century UCO. The tables dressed in checkered pride, catered plates with warmth supplied, stories shared and laughter's cheered, binding souls that gather here. The office folk and those who serve, with tireless hands and stare,